Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Shigawake is a beautiful little town, located on the Gaspé Peninsula in Quebec. This charming community sits along the stunning shores of the Baie des Chaleurs, offering breathtaking views and a peaceful atmosphere. The name Shigawake comes from the Mi'kmaq language, and is often interpreted as Land of the Rising Sun or White Water, reflecting the natural beauty of the area. The Shigawake River and nearby cascading falls are popular spots for nature lovers, and a testament to this town's connection to the outdoors. Shigawake is known for its rich history, stretching back to its first settlers in the late 18th century, who established a thriving community based on fishing, farming, and forestry. Shigawake has lovely trails, including one that takes you along the shoreline and another leading to the picturesque waterfalls.
Thank you very much.
The combination of coastal views and forest scenery is perfect for anyone who loves the outdoors. With its mix of history, nature, and friendly locals, Shigawake is truly a hidden gem on the Gaspé Peninsula.